In this video, we will try to solve a numerical question that was asked by a sister in the comment section. The question is like this: given the total cost function, which is c plus 50 is equal to 5q square, find marginal cost at q is equal to 3. We have to find the marginal cost when quantity produced is equal to 3. Okay, first I will write this very cost function. I will reshuffle this. It will look like this. We have c plus 50 is equal to 5 q square. Okay, now I can write it like this: c is equal to, I will transpose this 50 on RHS, this will become negative, so I will write 5 q square minus 50. Okay, but I want to add some point here. uh, Total cost, as we know, total cost is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. That means our total cost is the aggregate of variable cost and fixed cost. Variable cost, as you know, it changes with change in the output. If we produce more, the variable cost would be more. If we produce less, the variable cost would be less. So it depends upon the quantity produced. Coming to the fixed cost is simply fixed in the sense whether our production level is 0 or 10 or 100, it will remain same. Let us say our fixed cost was 50, it will remain 50 irrespective whether we produce no quantity or we produce 100 units of quantity. Okay, one thing I want to make here sure: the given cost function which was asked by the sister, it is not like this. We have the total cost here. This c 5q square is variable cost and this 50 is fixed cost. Okay, I don't think it should be a minus 50 here, because total cost is the aggregate of the summation of variable cost and fixed cost. I think, though my theoretical knowledge about the economics is very low, I would say, so I guess with the limited knowledge I have gained, I think here it should be plus 50. Okay, it shouldn't be minus 50, because total cost is composed of variable cost plus fixed cost. Okay, so I will rub this out. I was just curious to make this point to you. Okay, so still, if it is here minus 50, our marginal cost will remain still same. Okay, so our cost function is given. Now marginal cost, as we know, is simply equal to change in total cost with respect to change in quantity. Okay, dc divided by dq. That means we have to differentiate this cost function with respect to q. Okay, now we have 5 here. Okay, 5, that means we have 5 derivative of q square. Okay, so I will write, if we have q square, its derivative is simply we put this to exponent and form it as coefficient. That is, exponent is made coefficient, that is this 2 becomes coefficient. We have q, and this exponent is subtracted by 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2q. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2q to the power 1, that is equal to 2q. Okay, this is the simple power function rule from the differentiation. Okay, that means the derivative of this q square is equal to 2q. So let me rub this. That means our marginal cost would be the derivative of this q square in this 5q square. So the derivative of q square is 2q, as I have shown you, 2q plus the derivative of constant is always 0. Okay, in place of 50 we have 0, because the derivative of a constant is always 0. So that means our total cost would be marginal cost would be equal to 5 2s are 10q. That is our marginal cost. And by marginal cost we mean the additional cost incurred in production of one more unit of good. Okay, So our marginal cost is 10q. Now marginal cost when q is equal to 3, when 3 units are produced, would be equal to simply 10 times 3, that is equal to 30. 10 3s are 30. That means marginal cost when q is equal to 3 is equal to 30, which means that it costs us $30 to produce the third quantity itself, because marginal cost, as I told, it is the additional cost, rather additional cost incurred in production of one more unit of good. That means in producing third unit we incur a cost of $30 or rupees, whatever you call it. So one observation that I made in this question, I hope it is right. If not, I'm sorry for my explanation if it is wrong, because as I have told you, total cost is composed of, total cost always composed of variable cost plus fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost, fixed cost. In that sense, here it should be positive 50, not negative 50. Okay, I hope.